Before I start answer the questions about JCF and all of that, because we have some whole heap of questions when it comes to policing. But I just want to give some small bit of editing tips. So, like just starting out, you know, not fret your head about for get the nice B-roll shot or anything like that. Just make some simple video. Like this frame now, you can get a nice simple frame, not too close up to the camera. And you want to angle everything. So even if you're at the left corner or the right corner of the frame, it still seems as if you're in the center because the entire composition is pointing everything towards you. So don't go up too much in at the camera and don't go too far out. So this is a nice enough frame for me. So once you have your frame, you know what you want to talk about or whatever message you want to pass on in the video. You want to probably focus on a little bit of color grading. Now, this is the raw version of the video or not color graded version, and this is the color graded version. So this is relative. You don't have to color grade your video like mine. So I like to have my shadows defined. I like to take away some of the saturation, give it this blue fade. And I use Adobe Premiere Pro for my edits for all of the persons who are asking. You don't have to use Adobe Premiere Pro, but it's the one that I use, it's the one that I'm familiar with. So I mess with the basic color grading tools, so contrast, highlights, shadows, and then I might go ahead and change like the green. Sometimes I don't like how the green color pops, so I might change it more to what's that color? Cyan? Yeah, cyan. Also, nobody no like sit down and watch nobody just a talk. So you might get curious, want to know about my environment and all of that. No, that is where the simple B-rolls come in. So when I'm speaking, so for instance, I pause or I'm about to start another sentence, then I would cut at that shot to show you B-roll of the environment and all of that. Another technique that you can use if you don't want to cut to a B-roll or you feel like you're overwhelming the video too much with a lot of B-roll, what you can do is punch in. And when you punch in, you're going to do that at the beginning or at the end of a sentence and all of that. So everything flows. It doesn't seem distracting or it doesn't come off as distracting. Yeah, me have one little bridging in a creep on the floor and all them something. So yes, now we get to some of the JCF question them now. Are you going to tear gas and pepper spray? Yes, you definitely will get tear gas and you definitely will get pepper spray. When I was there, I got pepper sprayed. Which one I get pepper spray? I get pepper spray more than one time, more than one place. I think Green Bay. Is Green Bay name? No, Green Bay was the tear gas. Which one I get pepper spray again? You know, I don't think I get pepper spray. I don't think I get pepper spray. People get pepper spray, but me think me did escape the pepper spray, but not the tear gas. Then pile we up in a one truck back car we go at this place where beach and sand. Me never got there before. I think it's somewhere in St. Catherine. Somewhere in St. Catherine. I'm not 100% sure. But you are going to get tear gas. A little thing that they do is they cause you to sweat. So I don't know, probably tear gas is attracted to wet skin or sweaty skin, I don't know. But they have you run around until you're all sweaty and then they tear gas you. So they give you like point A to point B to get to. So it's like you're running from here to there and you need to make it to the end while being tear gas. So that's basically it. You know, me there talk about whole heap of question and I'm not think on whole heap of question. Keep up the good work, blood. Talent, camera sniper. Alexander Garvey, thank you for your comment. Big up, Paula. How do you get a licensed firearm through the JCF? So, contrary to popular belief, one of my things, because you're police, you'll get a firearm easier. Not really, you get me? You still have to go to your commanding officer. So you need recommendations from your commanding officer or go ahead from your commanding officer in writing. And I think that is the most complex part of it, or that is the only part of it that is different from, well, no, I think it's the same process, just like how. But anyhow, I think it's the same process you go through. Yeah, same like the normal civilian. then come and inspect your thing. You not get through no faster, no slower, and nothing really special. You still have to go through the antecedent them and all of that. But I guess if you have links, you think you can go through fast. Damn. Damn. I have 7 subjects including English, but I don't have maths or maths based subject. Can I still apply? That, so yeah, that's about it for this one. Big up on yourself and as usual, thanks for tuning in. Apologize for the echo in this one. Some sound panel I got there in here soon, as we say on my space, but I want to get something similar to this. You get me? So, yep. Pick up on yourself like a more Lara God.